The Espresso Martini is back. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're sleeping on it, drink this and you'll wake up. Let's talk about an espresso martini. So it's a combination of coffee liqueur, vodka, and espresso. But here's the deal, you can honestly use whatever you want. So if you're not someone that has an espresso machine in your house, which I think most people don't, then you can still make this. Today, I am using cold brew concentrate. Does the same thing. My name is Elena Besser. Thanks for coming to my channel. Funny story about espresso martinis while we chill our glass. My little brother, on his 21st birthday, had a party at a steakhouse with some friends of his, and for some reason I got hammered. And I went up to the wait staff and said to them,
when you bring out the cake, I want you to bring out espresso martinis for everyone.
And this was like a dinner with 20 people. And I don't know how I did it, but I somehow, in my drunken stupor, corralled the whole staff to bring out the cake. And as soon as he blew out the candles, multiple people walked out with trays of espresso martinis, and it was so lit, and I puked after. Let's make this drink. So the first thing we wanna do is we just wanna fill our shaker with some ice. Vodka, 2 ounces. And sometimes this drink will have a little sugar in it, but I don't think it needs it. Coffee liqueur is sweet enough. 1 ounce of cold brew concentrate. You could use brewed coffee or you could use espresso, like I said. Boom. So this is from 4th Ave, which is actually local to Brooklyn. Let's read about it. Brown is a coffee liqueur made in collaboration with our friends at Cafe Integral. It is a combination of a cold brew extraction and a ground bean maceration made with a single origin coffee bean. Smells great, and it tastes even better because it's local. Close it and shake it like crazy. This is always the hardest part. Dump this out. Frosted and beautiful. Oh my God. I am so excited to drink this. You're gorgeous. And last but certainly not least, the 3 beans traditionally are the garnish, and they represent health, wealth, and happiness. I'm just overjoyed by how great I think this looks. Okay, let's take a sip. Ooh, baby. That's awesome. She's sweet, she's sophisticated, but she isn't too sweet. She's just sweet enough, you know? It's not overpowering, it's not overwhelming. She's someone you wanna hang out with, and she wakes you up so you can get ready to party. This is a great drink. As you can see, it is so freaking easy to make. All you need are a few of these ingredients. I know this one is super specific to my area, but swap it out with Kahlua, which is very widely available. If you wanna use Bailey's, I won't tell anyone, go for it, fine, sounds delicious. I usually just like pouring Bailey's over my ice cream. That'll be another video for another day. I hope that you feel ready to make this in the comfort of your own home, because you can do it. If I did this, you can do it, duh, you got it. My name's Elena Besser. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. We got tons of content for your enjoyment. I just want you to feel like a badass in the kitchen. You can create restaurant quality food and beverage in the comfort of your own home if you just believe in yourself. And if you mess up, you're human. It's just what happens. Okay, enough of this. I'm gonna drink this now. Have a great day. Bye.